Hello everyone, you're on the Hapstone channel. My name is Mario. Today we'll talk about the precise angle adjuster module for the Hapstone RS system and how to install it on the Hapstone RS system itself. The standard vertical module of the Hapstone RS changes the angle quite easily. We can adjust the angle both coarsely and finely. Coarsely, when we change from 14 to 18 degrees, we just loosen the locking screw and lower the angle to 14 or raise it to, say, 18, after which we lock it. And to get to the tenths, we'll need the precise angle adjustment adapter, which is already installed in the standard vertical shaft. That is, changing the angle by tenths is adjusted simply by turning it. We loosen the screw a little bit and start to raise or lower it. We're raising it right now. After that, if you need to fix the angle, you can just let go. It won't go anywhere. You can lock it with the screw just in case. To make setting the angle easier and smoother, Hapstone has released a fine angle adjustment module for the Hapstone RS system. It fits both the standard system and the Hapstone RS Black system. The precise angle adjustment module consists of an anodized body. Inside, we have a steel shaft installed. There's a worm gear mechanism there, the kind used on milling machines. It's quite precise, and we get absolutely smooth movement of the angle. We also have a magnet installed that attracts the ball. There's a screw that adjusts the raising and lowering of this carriage. To install the precise angle adjustment module, we'll need a 4mm screwdriver and the Hapstone RS system itself. First, we remove the abrasive holder module, then loosen the screw and take out the standard vertical module. The precise adjustment module also has an adapter. We install it with the flat side facing the locking screw. Installed and secured. After that, we can install the precise adjustment module with the notch facing the screw. We install it with a 4mm screwdriver, we secure it. Done! In this way, the fine adjustment module for the Hapstone RS is installed on the system itself, after which you can attach the abrasive holder. For me personally, the advantage of the precise angle adjustment module for the Hapstone RS is the worm gear mechanism. That is, we have a smoother glide, a smoother movement of a carriage. The angle change is smoother, and you don't need to do anything extra. So while with the standard vertical module, we need to take 2 steps to set the angle, with the fine adjustment module, we only need to do 1. We lower it with the top screw, turning the screw to the right, as we can clearly see on the protractor. Similarly, if we turn it to the left, we raise the angle. Our step is 1/10. Plus, once you've changed the angle, you just let go of the screw and it stays in one place. Thanks everyone for watching. This is the Hapstone team. My name is Mario. You can purchase this module on the official Hapstone website. Links in the description. Thanks for watching.